Morning everybody. I've out today. We're going up to Morrisons. We've got the lad back. Well, we rang up last night and said he was coming back for the weekend. So I won't really be doing much cooking the weekend if he's back, if he's allowed. So I thought, well, I'll go up to Morrisons and I'm going to get some, like, I don't know, some frozen meals or something, and we're just going to review them for a couple of days while he's back. So, oh, it went over. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do Morrisons. I'm going to do maybe Food Warehouse and Lidl or something like that. Just a few bits and bobs from a few different places, and maybe get a bit. Where's she gone? Maybe get a bit to eat. And Morrisons, maybe get a sandwich or something. We'll see. So off to Morrisons we go, and what a beautiful day it is as well.
Pardon? Not horrible.
Do not smack that dog. You dare. I'll make you famous.
Who are you calling simple?
That woman there in that red, she just belted that dog. Absolutely belted her. How dare ya?
Watch out, boy. Calling her simple. She's a horrible, nasty woman. If I'm simple, you're a nasty woman. Horrible woman. Was that what that crack was? Yeah.
It must have been. Smile for the internet.
You're evil.
Animal cruelty.
Whacking that dog one like that, that's disgusting.
Disgusting.
Oh, your dog took off you.
That woman there, she was standing behind us, and we heard a big massive smack.
Yeah, like a smack about.
Like a smack about. And it was really loud. And I've turned round, and she's there with the dog. And then she's gone to do it again. And that's what I said, don't you dare smack that dog. Honestly, and the dog cowered. And then she's got the cheek to call her simple for telling her to not do it. Absolutely disgusting, some people. Disgusting. And it was Eve. She didn't have a care in the world, was it? She didn't care. Absolute bully. Wow. I wish I'd have caught it on camera, because I would have literally reported her.
That snap, that lead was so loud.
It was really loud, you know, when you do a bout, and if you do like, you know, when you put it together, you go bang like that. It was like that, but obviously it was a lead on the dog. Wow, man. Absolutely wow. That's fumed me, that has. Absolutely fumed me. No shame at all. No shame. And that's why I put the camera on. Yeah, she goes, yeah, you're simple, but well done. We're not the one abusing animals. Wow. Anyway, really wound me up, that has. That's work, Morrisons. Gonna get a few bits.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, everyone, she says. Yeah. I mean, some people might have said to her and says, oh, you shouldn't have said that to her. Well, I should have. If you'd have seen what she'd have done, it was absolutely disgusting, honestly. Fuming. I just says to Nat, that's the sort of dog I'd probably bite a child, because of the way it's been treated, and it wouldn't be the dog's fault. If that's what she does to the dog outside in public, and there's loads of people around by the cathedral, what does she do to it in the house? Anyway, enough of that now. We're going to get on now and get some stuff. And get some. Should we have a sandwich here or something, Bab? Yeah, have a sandwich. Have a sandwich. Right, we're in Morrisons Cafe. That's had a breakfast, ain't you? Fancy the breakfast. And I've had it's new. They're saying it's new anyway. Double battered sausage, chips and mushy peas, $4.99. So we're going to see what that's like. It's absolutely packed, so I don't know how long it's going to be. But we'll show you. I was had a latte as well. No, sorry. Cappuccino latte. We've only got cubes. We've had a cube each. and we'll let you know when the food comes. Food's here. One problem, I ain't got no sauces. Have I had no sauces? I've run out. So we can't have any sauce. Got salt. I've got no sauce. Let me show you. There's mine. Chips, mushy peas, the battered sausage. There's that. That looks nice. I should have had one of them instead. No, put your toes. Put it there, on the side. Something. Put it on mine, I'll have it. Well, no, I wish I'd had one of them now. Mine looks a bit dry.
It does look dry.
Doesn't it?
It's very dry.
Let's have a chip first anyway. They're hot. They're hot.
Could do with some sauce, man.
I know, there's no sauce. Oven chips, ain't they them? Oven chips, can't I oven chips? No, oven chips. Try this, that looks really dry.
I know it does. Decoration. Man screaming at the kid. Bloody hell, man. It's all kicking off today.
Oh, kicking off.
Some bloke shouting at the kid because he's crying. Never had a kid before, mate. Jeez. Did you hear that then? No
It's all
way.
kicking off everywhere because
That's bad, that. No, that's not good, that's not. Because I'm not being funny. Kids cry.
yeah, everyone's been a kid, ain't they? Everyone's been a child, ain't they?
It's really bad. That makes everyone go quiet.
It's only a baby, isn't it?
It's only a baby, leave him alone.
They're probably not even one, I think.
No, it's not even that. It's only a couple of months old.
Yeah. To be honest with you, I'm not enjoying it. Yours looks nice. Apart
Looks
from
a deceiving. Looks a deceiving.
very.
Man.
I need sauce.
No, yeah.
Oh well, I'm going to go and eat it anyway. Is that worth $4.99?
Yeah.
No. 2 battered sausage. I suppose they're their own free stuff, ain't they, I suppose.
Put in some beans if you want that.
Chips, handful of chips. And probably
Do you want
half a
my
tin
egg?
mushy peas.
Do you want my egg?
Nah.
To dip
No,
in?
no.
No.
Nah, more. Anyway, gonna go and eat it. If anything else kicks off, I'll let you know. It's going mad today. Yeah, I didn't enjoy that. I ate it because I paid for it, but I didn't enjoy that at all. Not at all. And it's unusual for Morrisons. Morrisons is usually really nice. But I just didn't enjoy it. I'd probably give it a 5 out of 10. And that's just because it's food. I didn't enjoy it at all. I didn't like the chips. It was very soggy and all that. The battered sausage was like rock hard. Well, not like crispy batter, it was like rock hard. And the mushy peas was nothing, no taste or nothing. I just didn't enjoy it at all. Matt just doesn't like hash browns, do you? Like everything about everything. Oh, and your mushrooms, you like your mushroom either, do you? Which is everything else. I think theirs was $4.99 or $5.99.
$5.99.
$5.99. So for a breakfast, that's good. But mine for a fiver, $4.99. It said it's new. I don't know how new it is. It says it on the board. But nah, I wouldn't buy that for a fiver.
But just because it looked nice doesn't mean to say that I enjoyed it.
You enjoyed it, didn't you? You enjoyed it? You didn't like your hash brown. Tell them. I thought you enjoyed it.
Yeah, I liked it, but you're like, Oh, looks really nice, looks really nice. That looks really crispy.
Your hash brown's soggy.
My hash brown's soggy. My mushroom
You didn't like
is full
mushroom
of
at all, did you?
water.
Full of water.
But
I say, I don't know, because usually Morrisons is really good, isn't it?
I did that, maybe we're just really busy.
Maybe it's really busy, or yeah, but it is. Because they're doing this scan at the table thing, aren't they? And everyone's queuing up, but a lot of people are doing the scan. So the lists, when you get up there, is huge. So they're doing them first. So I reckon they're rushing people's food. That's what I think's happening.
But that man's had fish and chips earlier, and that doesn't look very nice, it's really dry.
Yeah. Well, hey, there you go. Oh well. And there's no sauce. No one's got any sauce. Bloke got no milk for his coffee, his tea.
Sounds like Asda cat, don't it?
Yeah, it's just one of them, but it's usually, I'm not giving it a bad Morrisons because it is usually okay.
I'm going to give mine today 6.5.
I think yours are 6.5.
6.5.
And that, it might just be a bad episode, you know. And but hey, there you go. Anyway, I have to do a bit of shopping now. See what we can get.
At least it's filled your belly.
Fill my belly. Not very nice, but it's filled it. And we're on our way back now. Yeah, got some stuff from Morrisons. Ow! Ooh! Bit on the back of the leg. Got some stuff from Morrisons. Stuff I haven't tried before, so a couple of bits for a couple of days. I thought the lad had rang us by now, saying he's on the train, but he hasn't even rang. So I'm hoping he's allowed back. They usually are, but we'll have to see. What I don't want him to do is come late at night, by the time he gets back. Otherwise he's only going to have till tomorrow and then he's got to go back Sunday. So I don't know whether he's allowed, but he ain't heard nothing anyway. So what was your thought, Bab, on that Morrisons in the end? No, she can't hear me, she's in front of me. Yeah, say Morrisons are usually okay, but that wasn't okay for me today. No, it wasn't okay. I'd say I'd get a 5, but it was I got a really dry mouth as well because it was a butt sausage. Was very salty, but no taste, if you get what I mean. It was just full of salt. So I'm wondering whether it was just there. Obviously, it was just their frozen stuff, weren't it? Which I've never actually tried, so I don't know what they actually taste like. And there must be their chips, which was soggy and yeah, and the mushy peas, not very nice at all. And there was no sauce, which was a shame. So it was just a bland meal. But the bloke next to us, he had no milk for his tea. He had no milk, so I think it was just one of them. But the queue was massive at the counter. It wasn't moving. And I think that's because a lot of people sitting down and using the... Hey? You what, Bab? Oh yeah, yeah. There's yeah, the queue, and it wasn't moving. And a lot of people using the scan at the table thing. And I think they was doing them first, so people were getting a bit irate. And then you had the bloke moaning at the child. The baby must have been 4 months maybe. 4 months old, and I don't know if you heard it on the camera, shouting, "Shut up!" It's all happening today. It's all happening. Anyway, just a little vlog while we've done that. I thought I'd do a couple of videos of that stuff over the next couple of days. And we will see you all later. Bye-bye. Bye, Bab. Oh.
Hi.
And we're home. God, it's boiling, ain't it? Yeah, the lad's just phoned, so he is on his way back. Should be back within the hour, 2 hours, which isn't bad. It's what now? 4:15, so he'll be back for about 6, I think. Which is good. So yeah, and that's it. So I will do some taste test things the weekend, just because the lad's back. I don't want to be recording, having all my equipment out while he's back for a couple of days. It's not fair. So that's it really, yeah. And I'd also like to say, Elaine, it's your birthday today, isn't it? So I was told. So I'd love to wish you happy birthday. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. Or if you watch it later or tomorrow, I hope you've had a fantastic day. So, everybody, Well, we're doing a sale Friday today, so it'll be Saturday and Sunday. Couple of taste tests, and we're back to cooking Monday. See you later. Bye bye.